Okay, so we made another bee lure, and Samuel's helping me today. And yeah, so we made a little box on the bottom and a little bee hole to go in. We're just putting the frames in. Go up and see our current bee trap. It's up here. Bee Central. And we've got a top here for it. We're going to put a couple of the lures in. And this one, we're going to put it up there for now. And then later, we're going to take it down to the bottom. Okay, off we go, Sam, with the big bee lure, number 2. And we got our Super Bee lemongrass lure in. And the other thing is we've got to remember, when this is full of bees, I've got to get it down the same way. Which may be a bit tricky. So, okay, we're going to put that up there. Should be able to see the bees going in and out. Go and get the roof. Just made this earlier. This is one we made earlier. That's our top. And then we put a bit of plastic on it. Nice. Gives it a bit of shelter. And I've got a plastic sheet here with some bricks. Earlier. Marvellous. Give them a little bit of shelter. Cool. So, Sam, I need you to pass me some bricks now.
Oh, okay.